Fundamental research and financial due diligence is a really integral part of any stock analysis, but it is time consuming and it can be particularly difficult to get the quality data. So this is where our individual page comes in. It allows you to undertake fundamental analysis and research of a stock, saving you both time and effort. So to do this, we're going to have a look at Apple. Now you can click on the company name in blue, or you can search for the company in the top right hand corner here. It's going to take you through to the individual company page and it'll look something like this. It's broken down into 6 different segments. So at the top here we have basic stock information, and next to it the breakdown of the ROBA score, green being something positive such as growing revenues, and red being something negative such as spending too much cash on stock buybacks. Now below this information we have the valuation ratios. Now just to understand them a little bit better, all you need to do is hover over the name. Next to it you can see that we have an aggregated company news feed, and to the left of that we also have an interactive stock chart. So the first tab below that is the company operations. Now as investors we're always looking for companies who are systematically growing revenue, paying off their debt, increasing shareholder equity. Now just below this we have the company valuations tab. This is to help us understand how the market is currently valuing the equity. The next tab shows us the profitability ratios. Now we can see here that Apple has experienced a drop in operating and net profit margins. This penultimate tab is unique to ROBA. It displays the company cash flow chart. This displays the 3-year averages of how the company both derives and spends its cash. Apple here generates 3/4 of its cash through operations, which is excellent. And it also only spends 30% of its cash on dividends, suggesting that this dividend is sustainable, even in the event of a short-term shock to their cash flow. Finally, we have the analyst expectations. Now we publish this information where it's available, but we don't have control over this. Here you will find revenue, EPS and share price targets, along with the upgrade and downgrade history. Now for those of you who are into their raw data, we also have the numbers available for you. This is accessed through the company financial data tab at the top. Now here you're going to find standardized balance sheets, cash flow statements and income statements for the previous 5 years, along with the latest half-yearly interims. Now, traditionally performing fundamental analysis has been time-consuming and difficult. The individual company page breaks this mold, allowing you to better understand the financial health and fundamental performance of each company. Improve your stock picking analysis today.